Oh, Academy. I'm telling you,
$7?
$7.
You're kidding me. Wait, babe, can you move the box? Sorry, before you sit down.
Yeah, I'll move it. Just move it.
No, I don't want the box.
You don't want the.
I know.
So now you're on record being fake.
Am I good? Am I out of
Oh.
the picture?
Wait, so do I'm just here?
I'm just kidding. Sorry.
Is there a button?
I'm not sorry. Dude, this is...
Is there a...
let me say.
Oh, this is...
I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Like, every day. You need to start realizing that your jokes are much somewhere.
Oh, that's Jeff.
If I was a bully, I could have been really mean.
Oh, yeah.
Luke, you know what's so funny? Literally at craft night, I was literally like, my only memories of Luke in high school was that he had a pure heart. That's like the old, and you were athletic.
He's a bully. No, but he knows how to, like,
Yeah, when we argue.
say things that jabs.
Oh, Jeff too. Jeff knows my buttons.
I think we know each other.
Yeah, it's marriage. Wait, should I push a button to take a picture? Or just want me to record?
I'll just screen grab it. Like that's the pictures
Oh.
I sent you guys. Were all screen grabs.
No way.
Oh,
Okay.
So this is being recorded, the whole thing. Okay.
Behind the scenes.
Lesson for you to look back.
Okay, I'll just like.
Just
Oh,
leave it.
smile.
You can
Yay.
screen grab.
What? Okay. I don't know if you guys wanna.
Aw, thanks so
Yeah. Oh, love, get out. Oh, cute. Why am I gonna cry, Mom and Dad? Where'd he go? That's so funny. Of course.
Is there a red frame around the...
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Oh,
Yeah.
I do
This time,
it all the time where I think I'm recording, but I'm not.
I look back at the video and it's like the opposite of the.
Oh yeah. Okay. I think
Girl, I'm telling you, like, I don't know how. Oh, no, no. Oh, tomato. And shrimp. Oh. What? And shrimp. Oh.
I want Chick-fil-A.
Nice. How Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yeah, next time we'll just put our names by the date. We have to do it now. Do you guys like purple? Yeah. Okay, I think I might just do the whole thing. Girl, we used to like... Like, it's a treat now because we're like, oh, we're not that healthy. Yeah. But like, we love it.
I mean, swole kind of help.
It's a team thing. It's Teen City, and then they get people
the
together.
community, like the schools will like.
Yeah, like they go out there and they fundraise, but it's like a Teen City thing.
I remember us getting extra credit for school things
Yup.
if we went to go volunteer.
Oh, there at Surface.
Yeah. I went, y'all. Okay, I went to like one room school, right? Like super sheltered. So first year we went to Keene and we went to Starfest. I literally like freaked out. I was in like whatever you want to do.
That food is supposed to be all together. All going to one place anyway. Nice.
That looks great.
Nice.
Have what?
The brain.
Oh my gosh, it's bad.
Pregnancy brain.
Girl, I didn't believe it. And now I'm like, oh no.
There. Job done. Yeah.
Good job, love.
So look at that. You want to do hot chocolate this morning?
Can.
We
Yeah,
Oh,
I
yeah,
brought
that's
the
true.
top. There's also food and stuff.
Iced cocoa at 3 grams of water is for. Oh, wow, you can make these iced.
Nice.
Oh, iced hot chocolate? Or iced chocolate?
No, there were some like organic packs of the hot chocolate, and we. Feel like look at that soft light.
Oh, look at the family picture right here.
I know.
Oh, yeah, actually. Oh, that's actually perfect. Actually, lean a little bit more in, Jeff. There we go, perfect. It's because there's sun behind you guys, so actually, perfect. There we go. It's great.
So cute. Oh, so that. Oh, okay. Okay, when we're too far out, like can you follow us?
Okay.
Like, can we turn around like now?
Oh, are you guys walking towards me?
No. Just show me.
What's... Oh, you guys are just... Oh, here.
That's it.
Oh, that was... Oh, I'm sorry. I did not catch the message. See, this is... Yeah, I got it.
Can you see the bomb or no?
It's very hard. Yeah, it's very, very hard.
I think when you put it on your
Here.
when you edit, you see it.
I can see it now.
Yeah.
Here. If I zoom in.
Bum.
Oh, here.
Have you seen those videos? Oh yeah.
Oh, that's funny, actually.
Oh, I want my cup. Those are so cute. Girl, you just only have backpacks and stuff. I know.
Ooh, that's cool.
You got the coffee thing. Yeah, there's two different ones. There's that, which is the French vanilla, and then
I'll do it.
the other
Vanilla
one is
nut.
yeah. I'm gonna try it. You tried one
Babe,
of them
she-
one time.
She has
What was it?
coffee but tea bags,
Oh.
but they're herbal and they're not caffeine.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I know.
They're
We-
actually pretty good. She got it for me. Water bottle, otherwise I'm probably just gonna throw it in the
Oh, yeah. I think I'm good. Do you want more? I have enough.
Yeah.
I have enough. Here, Jeff, I'll throw it in, dude. Smile.
I think you should get the case.
Oh, this is where the prairie dog live. But I don't know if it's because it's winter. I don't know if
They're hiding.
But you literally park here. That's why like this whole area is parking for people to watch prairie
Where
dogs.
are they? Just on this field?
Yeah, they.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, that is. We should be coming up.
I'm surprised we haven't seen like many buffaloes.
Yeah, they're hiding.
I don't see sunset on the map.
I think this is it though. Pretty sure.
It's going towards the mountain.
That's why I'm taking it here. One time I was driving out that way and
Camp. I can't read.
Whoa, really?
Wild. Girl, and my buddy, like, she was.
Smile. Nice. All right. True, dude. I love vaqueros.
Ah, this breeze.
Yeah, that's great.
If you come here, you can see where they have those group sites that I was talking about.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
It's cold. You want your jacket? Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
Like there's a bunch of them. They look like little egg yolks.
Little egg, yeah.
You got them.
Yeah, I did. I did. We made it. We made it, yo.
They're so small.
Wait, stay. What's up, dude? It's beautiful. No, it's fine.
Do you want to get down?
It's okay. These, I wonder if these are the same too.
I want to see some of these people. Actually, do the tree signs.
Oh, it's moving. Is there more?
Oh no, he got too cold. Are you at this angle?
Yeah.
Do you want to get over there? Or you want
No, it's fine. This is beautiful.
I think it's so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, too close.
Are you good?
Yeah. Smile. Oh, with the buffalo. I'm super, super close, but no, you're good, stay. Stay. It's kind of cool to see. Here, I must try to shoot through this. It's kind of a cooler shot.
They're just chilling. I love it. What a chill life.
Okay, I'm coming.